Okay, so today's video, there's a special challenge New Year's fireworks show. And I'll be playing Hawk 2.6 in it. If I lose one game, this video will end. So let's just hope that I will not lose. So first up, I'm gonna just cycle away my skeletons. That is interesting, but I'm gonna put cannon and ice golem to tank for it. Never mind. But cannon fully defends an expo. That's new. Holy cow. I'll put log, push that down, pull that, and boom, defended. And boom, King Tower turned on. Meow. Boop. I'm not gonna defend the firecracker of this one. I have to defend. Okay, nice, and put that there. Put cannon right up there, and then put log. Why'd I even put cannon there if I had log? I don't know. Here, I don't know what to do. I guess I'll put ice golem to kite. Ice spirit. That's not a bad defense. Woo! Larry! Nice. That one firecracker though. Nice. Gonna put ice golem there. He puts down, knock everything back. I'm gonna also fireball them. Double firecracker on the left side. Turned on the king tower. Pretty sure I did that. He just copied me. Not cool. Gonna pull it. Gonna pull the Valkyrie up. Nice. That's not nice. Gonna put fireball to defend the wizard. And I put skeletons there to distract and up. I put hog rider to defend the expo. Boom. I should probably go on the offense now. Ice golem distracts everything. Gonna put log for the two firecrackers at the back and put musketeer up there. Gonna put skeletons for the Mega Knight. Ice Spirit also for the Mega Knight. And then Ice Golem also for the Mega Knight. Gonna put log for every single one of those firecrackers. And Hog Rider to defend the expo. And I'll also put Muskie there. And also Ice Spirits. And fireball those three firecrackers. Never mind. Put log to defend. Good defense. Hog Rider, Ice Golem, and then, yeah, that's pretty sure a tower, right? Yeah, that's a tower. Boom. I'm gonna fireball it. Boo. And yeah. I'm gonna just play one last game, and yeah, Hawk 2.6 is honestly not too bad in this. If you also want to play Hawk 2.6, feel free to do so. But yeah, those are just some basic techniques to turn on the king with the firecracker. I'm gonna put musketeer. Put log to defend. Should have turned on the king instead. Should have used it to turn on the king. I'm gonna put cannon to defend the furnace. I'll put skeletons and ice golem. Never mind. How did the king got turned on again? How did his king got turned on again? Oh, crud. I put cannon right there on top of the musketeer, even though I could put it a bit lower for extra purposes, but I didn't. Ice golem up there, hopefully doing some work. No, it does not. I'll put log over there. Oh, at the back. Could have expected that, but I didn't. Oh, hell nah. I'll put log. Boom. Pretty sure, yeah, good defense. Defended. I'll put hog right there. Ice golem on that side. I'll put musketeer all the way up there. Musketeer tanks for everything, which is good. And ice spirit. I'm gonna put that over there. And put Larry's over there. Cycle back to the hog rider to tank for everything. Put cannon over there. Yeah, that's a tower. Okay, I've turned on the king way earlier on so that I can get a bigger advantage. But again, furnace can take out an entire tower. Well, furnace and another furnace, 2 furnaces can take out 1 entire tower. Super underrated. And yet, I only see it in super rare circumstances, and this dude was playing Lumberloon. No wonder I lost. And also because of lack of skill. So the reason why I lost is because of Lumberloon and the lack of skill that I had. Why did I put skeletons? I'm gonna put fireball right there. Yeah, good game. I don't have enough skill, but yeah, that's Hog 2.6, and yeah, Hog 2.6 in the New Year's Fireworks show. Yeah, Hog 2.6 is not cut off for this. Or maybe just because I suck at Hog 2.6, because Hog 2.6 takes skill. And free season pass. But yeah, hopefully you enjoyed today's video, and hopefully you have a great day.